Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the attention of this House towards the growing fear and anxiety among the residents of my constituency and full of Goa regarding the non-provision of basic amenities such as water and electric connections against their EHN stroke bifurcated numbers. Despite completing the required formalities and obtaining their EHN numbers, many families are still deprived of essential services like drinking water and electricity. This has created serious concern and uncertainty among the locals. EHN numberank अजूनही electricity and water connection मेवना. All the JEs and AEs are saying 2006 चे पहिले हा त्याच करचे म्हणून.
ऑलरेडी बजेट स्विचींग मुख्यमंत्र्यान मांडला, मुख्यमंत्र्यान एश्युरन्स दिला की हातूंत आपण लक्ष घालून करून दिता.
या असेंब्ली सेशन जावचे पहिले सोपचे पहिले मातशें करून लोकांक बेसिक एमेनिटीज दिवचे सर.